One of my friends recently wanted to publish a book. He had some amazing ideas, but unfortunately he did not have the time to sit and write that particular book. At that point, he came to Mithaas and asked if we could help in writing a book on his name. This is exactly what ghostwriting is. When there is a certain content writer working to write a book with the ideas of the author and the book is published in the author's name, that is called ghostwriting. Ghostwriting has many legal clauses in it because it's a complicated aspect in terms of service. But a lot of people today who have amazing ideas but somehow struggle to write or struggle to get that time or discipline to share the complete ideas in the book in words, they come to the content writers and ask us if we can help them. Ghostwriting is one of the blossoming fields in content writing today. For this, you need creativity, good grammar, and good structuring of sentences. If you have these three things, you can be a good ghostwriter. Of course, you need to have the legal aspects clear for that, so you must consult a legal consultant for the same. This is called ghostwriting. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. To know more about content writing and such services, go to our website which is mentioned in the description. See you.